Hey y'all, if y'all in the A, y'all need to try this place called Delia's Chicken Sausage Stand. Y'all, I tell you, it's crack. Look at this. It's so freaking good. Then it comes with this, I think it's called like a raspberry lemonade or something like this. So freaking good. I'm gonna get down, I'm gonna grub. Hey guys, so we're currently getting ready to go out to eat with my aunt and see what the city is doing tonight. Sis in here. She looks so pretty, don't she?
Thanks, sis.
You're welcome. So yeah, this is what we're doing. We're running behind. We told our aunt we was on our way, but we're not on our way. We always running behind. I'm gonna show y'all the outfit of the day for me and Dominique. I gotta find my shoes. Look at my necklace.
Every time I come around, I say they bling bling.
It plays. Okay, so we finally leaving, y'all. We like 2 hours late. We always late though. We ain't never on time. Well, I'm never on time. My sister, she like to be places 2 or 3 hours early. I can get ready early and I still be late.
No.
Y'all, my little cousin be doing that. It'd be too funny. I'm gonna have to show y'all. But yeah, we about to head and get something to eat. It's raining, but it don't matter because
The sleigh still
the
goes
sleigh's
on.
still real. What'd you say, sis?
The sleigh still goes on, even in the rain.
Oh, I see you, Niche. I see you. So yeah, we walking at the hotel now, so I'll see y'all when we make it to the restaurant. I might show y'all this traffic because it's about to be ridiculous. Oh, my throat was a little dry.
I can't look.
Okay, we'll be back, y'all. Hey guys, so we're currently at Old Lady King with my sister, my aunt, and my little cousin. We're gonna see what the hype about. Everybody been talking about it, so we're gonna see if this works. Cornbread good. Let me see if this cornbread is though. I wanna see it. Don't worry about it. Tastes like some sugar in here. Good. Yeah, the cornbread is hit. I'll see you guys when our food come out. Food just got here. I got fried chicken, baked macaroni and cheese, and collard greens. Sister got the same thing. Then my aunt got the ribeye, mashed potatoes, and spinach. It looks pretty good.
And y'all know I got my wings.
Food is so freaking good, y'all. It's ridiculous. I ain't think nobody else could cook down south like Little Rock, but it's kind of close to it. It's way better than Arkansas. You ain't had CC Chicken and Waffles. When you go back to Little Rock, it's a place called CC Chicken and Waffles on the north side. Oh God, that chicken cook this direct. Oh God. We on this little dream stuff outside. Okay. Right there on the way.
So y'all just over here doing y'all stuff?
Yeah, they alcohol. It's catching up. Oh, that one is quite cold. You know what?
How you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. You see this? You see this? This hot sauce? That's why you need to get sirloin. Yeah, medium well. Look at that, you yeah, well done. I usually get mine medium well.
So Ty, what you got?
Fried chicken, mac and cheese, and collard greens, and no alcohol. Just a little bit. I don't need it. But when you get medium well, it's like it's medium well.
Old lady game.
10 a.m. in Atlanta, fly a bitch to Atlanta, fly your bitch to Atlanta, let her ride in that fountain.
We just came out, you guys, and it looks so good. I'm about to show y'all what we got. We have pancakes, bacon, home fries, eggs. We got some pineapple juice. And my sister, she got grits with bacon and eggs and pancakes. So yeah, we about to tear this food up. Alright y'all, we're about to head to the mall, try to find my mom a Mother's Day gift. It was raining, but it stopped. And the sun is out now, so we decided to get out and go to the mall. We're gonna see. Hopefully this mall is not crazy, because it is Mother's Day weekend. I know everybody probably getting last minute gifts, so hopefully it's not too crazy. I don't know what they got going on. Some type of event. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where do we park at? I think we park in Tucson. Yeah, so hopefully the mall is not too crazy. Everybody getting Mother's Day gifts. We're gonna see. And hopefully the traffic not too bad either. It's freaking ridiculous. I hate coming to the mall when it's a whole lot of people. People be moving slow, sightseeing and shit. Like, get what you need and get out, please. Then the parking is ridiculous, but it is Mother's Day weekend, so. Because usually when we come to this mall, usually it's not this bad, but we have to park all the way on the opposite side just to get to the wrong side. Yeah. So we're gonna go in here. Kind of know we want to get her. We want to get her probably some candles from Bath & Body Works because she loves candles. We're gonna get some lipstick from MAC because she loves mixed lipstick. She loves every damn thing, so we're gonna get her that. And probably some sandals. We're gonna try to find her some sandals, some cute sandals from like Aldo or something. And that's pretty much it. We're not walking in Dillard's Way? I don't know how to get to the opposite side. Hey guys, so first stop is Urban Outfitters. I look at this online all the time, and I always want to come to the store because ordering they never have nothing. So we're gonna see what they got. I had 20% off, so we'll see. I want me some more Adidas stuff, like some more slides and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be looking for. So yeah. Go right there. Wait. Now, people be rude as hell. You open the door for them and they don't even say thank you. I said, trick his ass. These are cute. Ooh, them are cute. I like this. Oh, that's cute. This one $59. That's cute. Oh, Adidas stuff. I guess it's like our. It's a cute little dress. Yeah, it's like it's just like that. Let's go back there and see. Oh, cute. There are some slides. I heard 20% off. That's what I've been looking for, some slides. Oh, they got some slides. It says take 20% off your entire purchase. Oh. So, I think I got the green ones.
Oh, rewards members.
Oh,
but you can sign up.
so
You get the app.
where's the champion stuff? That's what I want to look at too. Oh, they got some more new stuff over here. Yeah, this is cute. That's some plain with some little tees, pencil skirt. I love these.
Oh, it's a skirt.
That's a skirt. That is cute. Hey y'all. So we're chilling in the room right now. It is pouring down raining. So we're just chilling, waiting on the rain to stop because the traffic is stupid. But today is my birthday. I turned 23. It feels different than 22. Mostly because of the things that I went through and experiences. But it's been a great birthday. My sister made it great. She always makes my birthdays good. I got good gifts, but it wasn't about the gifts. It was just about being here because a lot of people didn't make it to see 23. And there's so many people out here dying. The youth is dying so quick. So it's just a blessing just to even be here. Even if I didn't get nothing, I still would have been just happy and grateful. Y'all, my auntie left me this voicemail. I'm gonna let y'all listen to it. It's too funny. Okay, let me play it. Let me turn my volume up. Yeah.
She.
I'm gonna play
I can't
it.
even get my words out, boy. I'm gonna keep that forever.
Dominique, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Dominique. Happy birthday, Dominique. I have to wake you up early morning, give you a roll call. But happy birthday. Enjoy your day in the ATL and have a turn up. Love you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, why my family so funny?
Hello?
Like, man, they are hilarious. I'm really still tired and hungover from last night.
Okay.
That's why.
Alright, appreciate you on the ones and twos.
That's why I don't like drinking.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give me some wine. I think last night I had Patron. We had a fish bowl that had like 7 different liquors in it. We had hookah. Y'all, I was sick when I woke up. I feel like I had the flu.
Oh my God.
What's going on, sis?
I'm hungry. We're going to Ruth's Chris tonight. When I say I've been craving that since Vegas, went to Vegas for my
9:30.
birthday. They didn't have no reservations except for at 9:30. And she was like,
You good and
no, you
hungry by
can't do
then."
walk-ins. I said, ooh. Whatever, just put me down. So, yeah. I'm saving my stomach, too. I had some leftovers. Y'all, old lady gang, like,
Yeah,
I
they
warmed
good.
that stuff up. I ate it with my hand. I didn't even use no fork. Like, that's old lady gang is definitely a go. It's really good. They put their foot in it. Bertha and them, whatever their name is. The shit was good.
Bertha.
It was good. But I'm ready for this Ruth's Chris tonight. I really am.
It's kind of dark in here, guys. I just wanted y'all to see the birthday girl. Y'all can't really see her that well, but yeah.
Lights down.
We at Ruth's Chris. We got some Moscato. It's really, really sweet. It's really good. We're just waiting on our food to come out. Yeah, we had a really good day. Sis enjoyed her day, her gifts. So grateful to be able to do for her and give her the thing that her heart desires. So, all you guys trying to holler at my sister, what's good? You're gonna have to run that back. No, I'm just joking.
Run it up.
I'm just joking. We're just having sister time, just talking about how good God is, how blessed we are. So yeah, I just want to check in with you guys, and it's pretty dimmed up in here. It's kind of dark, so you can't see anything. So I'm gonna try to record the food so you guys can see, and I'll be back. I figured. The bedroom eat shrimp. Thank you. Are they bringing the shrimp out? Okay. So we got the stuffed chicken breast. We always have to split it because it's extremely too much. We got corn, mashed potatoes, and we got some side of shrimp coming out. So yeah, grub time. We just left Busy Bees. It's packed up in there. They was real sweet though. They were. Like when I walked in, the man was he was greeting everybody and stuff. They real sweet, but it's small. But it's packed up in there. It looked like, oh my God, they had red velvet cake.
No, why you didn't give me one?
It looked so moist.
Why you didn't give me one?
They had red velvet cake. They had lemon pound cake. They had butter pound cake, and they had key lime cake.
Man, that cake looks so freaking good. And they just opened at 11. Well, they opened at 11, y'all. It's like 12:20. It was already packed in there, so that's how you know it's the hot spot. And it look like people, aunties and grandmas back there in the kitchen cooking.
That's how
so
you
know the food lit.
That's how you know it's good food when it like the grannies and stuff in there.
And you know it's good food when it's in the hood. Like all the good places to eat, they be like little hole in the walls, and they be
And
the best
I
food.
promise we don't discriminate.
Sure don't. We'll go to Ruth Chris and then turn around and go to the hood and
I
get some
swear.
wings.
And this was $40, but I'm pretty sure it's worth it.
Yeah.
Like that's one thing about me. Well, about us, like we will.
If the food good, we'll pay.
Yeah, we will pay.
Which $40 not a lot, but I mean for like well, it's not fast food either though. So
It's soul
so I guess that's about.
But that
right
it's
price.
the same price as that.
Oh, gosh. I forgot to show y'all the little corn muffin that it came with too. It's so good. Let me look good. Perfect. It's just falling. You gonna take that whole big piece? I'm just gonna get a piece. You're not gonna take it. You didn't ate it. Smell. I wish I can feed y'all through the camera. Really? Let's try to get on here so I can see our reaction. We getting down with grubbing. That's good.